What's up, y'all? I never filmed an intro for this video, so here's the intro. We got a lot going on in this video, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Me and Logan are fishing on Lake Hartwell again. We did pretty good this time, but let y'all watch the video.
Trevan caught him one out here on Hartwell.
Yes, sir!
Boom
shakalaka.
What a giant.
There we go. That's a solid fish. That's a keeper, bud.
I bet you that was the one that bit mine.
I bet it was. I thought it was just
Texas crawl.
Yeah, baby. We're gonna let him go.
Yeah, we can.
We'll get the release.
All right. I hope I don't drop my phone. Hope he's gone.
Sucker's gone.
Stay tuned, boys.
We got some more coming, boys.
Giant.
Huge fish! Holy crap! Logan! Get him, get him, get him! Oh my gosh! He ate it.
Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, dude, he was sitting under the black thing because as soon as it hit the water, I felt a thud. Like, it didn't even fall. As soon as I hit the water, I felt a thud, but I was like, well, maybe it was like the line coming off of it or something. Look, choked it.
Oh
choked
my, hang on, let me get over here.
Choked that.
Golly, he smoked it.
Woo!
Yeah, baby. That's a freaking tournament. Dude, look.
That's why bass fishing is so good.
Turn him side. Here, no, I'll come over here. You get the thing out first. That thing is massive. That's a 6.
No.
5.
I don't know.
4. 3, 2, 1.
Might be a 4.
Have you got a scale?
Big and we got
Huge
a giant
fish.
Boys, we caught another one. Not nearly as big as old mama in there, but did you turn both of these in?
Yeah.
I bet.
Second fish. Logan is hooked up for the 3rd time in a row.
Separate back-to-back casts.
Back-to-back cast.
Holy, what the?
What is that?
It's a fake. It's a lure. It's a spot. It's a pretty good one though.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's freaking weird.
All right, boys.
Number 4. Well, guys, we had a pretty good day today. Logan caught a freaking giant son. And I hooked into a bunch of them. I hooked into a decent one, but I missed it. I hooked into a lot of them and missed them, but I caught 3. Logan caught 3, so had a pretty good day out here today. So see y'all later. Say bye, Logan.
Bye.
All right, guys, we found another wild shopping cart.
You're literally gonna hit it.
We're about to smack it. This is what you get for leaving it out in the middle of the road, people.
You don't tear up your car.
Be quiet. Bye.
Come at me. Where you at? Critic! Oh! That's your dead body. I'm just kidding, that was
That's better.
Oh! Frick! I
Hey!
never know what to do when I get out of camera. Why is it so scary?
Behind you, behind you.
So cute.
It's not cute.
X. You just gotta press X, I think.
No, I don't. That's not how you do it. I gotta shoot.
Don't take him
Where
out to
is
the
it?
back.
Where is it? Now I'm paranoid.
Hey. Oh my gosh, he's so good.
Frick. Look at him. He's running to the beacon.
Is he literally running?
All right, guys, we're at Ingles. We gotta get the butter buns.
What? Oh.
Zach's here. All right, we're gonna keep it. Some ground beef. We're making some burgers. Some burgers and some fries. A lot of people are coming over. We're gonna play pool. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
No, just do it. Just do it on your face.
I can't, it's stuck.
No, I can't. You suck, dude. What are you gonna do left hand?
Who shot
It's like I'm carrying this team, dude.
Bro, what are you talking about? I'm pretty sure you hit one of their balls in. Only one ball's been hit in.
No, it's her.
There's two balls.
I just went.
Well, guys, we're fishing out on Hartwell again. We got Logan, we got Nick.
We just got here. We haven't caught anything yet.
Yeah, we just got here. Ain't caught nothing yet.
We think it might be a good day. We might catch 10 fish.
Yeah.
Particularly him 5, him 4, and me 1. We just got out here. We might, and we'll probably put 5 in the live well. See, we'll put 5. We'll put 5 right here. See, look. We'll put 5 right here.
All right, we'll let y'all know when we catch some. Well, Logan caught another freaking giant.
It's not even that big.
Yes, it is. It's good.
And he called it. I'm gonna guess it's 2.5 pounds. Show him where he caught it.
He skipped it in between them docks. Right there. We got about 4 or 5 catches today. Logan got a toad today. Hold him up real quick. Look at that boy. Got him a good one.
Pretty good.
I caught this one.
Pretty good. No, turn around. There you go.
We caught 10 today. Nick caught 2, I caught 4, and then... Well, no, we caught 11.
Caught 11. It's a good day.
Good day.
Just as I had predicted.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ain't that almost to the dot. Almost to the dot.
Oh, man. All right. I'll see y'all later, I guess. We're going to go do something. I don't know what. I'll see y'all. Look at that one. Lord have mercy. That's a big one. Caught with the hand.
Rookie mistake.
We're at Phranksgiving. We got a pool tournament going. We got COD going. Oh, I gotta play. I'll see y'all. I won the pool tournament.
Here, we're gonna get a professional.
Jesse played
Scratched on the 8 ball for the 3rd time today.
I got lucky.
You got $50 is what you got.
Okay.
We didn't bust.
Let's take this picture.
All right, we'll take a picture.
All right, guys. So, Trevan, our fellow big boy, is playing a game tonight.
Big boy.
He has a 50-50 chance of getting pied in the face in front of the entire church youth ministry.
I shave every day.
How do you feel?
I don't know why I did this. It's not good.
No, I actually got a mustache. So how the game works? It's called Bet Your Bestie. JJ, explain the game.
So basically, you have 4 sets of siblings, and within those sets of siblings, you have all of them betting on each other. So, for example, one of the prompts may be, how many brands of cereal can you name? And each of the people, there's one person standing in the back, and one of their sibling is sitting in front of them, and they have to bet without getting any response from their sibling on how many brands of cereal their sibling could name. And if they go back and forth like bidding, and whoever bids the highest, the other person is like, I don't think they can name that many. and then they have to try to name that many cereal. The person sitting down has to try to name that many brands of cereal. And if they can't, they get pie. But if they can, the other pair gets pie. So it's gonna be a fun one.
Trevan, you think you're gonna pie McKay, or you think McKay's gonna pie you?
McKay's getting pied.
McKay's getting pied.
Are you gonna pie yourself?
Big boys don't lose, little ladies lose.
McKay started a false YouTube channel called Little Ladies, and now it's a face-off tonight. One of them is gonna get pied in the face.
Will it be a big boy or will it be a little lady?
Number 2, continuing our holiday theme. Christmas characters. Christmas characters. So basically anyone in any story, fairy tale, movie, whatever, that is a Christmas themed character. What is their names? Alright? I'll go ahead and give you one. Santa Claus will be an example of what I'm looking for. Okay, that's one.
Give them an answer.
I'm leaving it at what I said. Alright?
I get Santa, I don't know.
Okay. So I'm gonna start on this side, okay? So Ella, how many Christmas characters can Eden name?
I'm going to start off with a solid 3.
A solid 3. Solid.
How many?
How many can McKay name?
We're going with a solid 6.
6. Doubling down, 6.
I'll go 7.
Okay.
10.
McKay, he has confidence in you.
11.
You gonna take it? 12. Mm-hmm.
13.
There you go.
We're gonna bet that.
Okay.
You're saying 13. We're gonna bet that. All right. Wait. So just so I'm clear, Trevan, you're saying
If they get it right, she gets pied in the face, right?
right? You don't think she can make 13? I think it does sound like he hopes. He hopes McKay gets a pie. There's a lot of characters, bro. Are you sure?
Trevan, keep going.
I just want to help out. Yeah. All right, here we go. 13. You have a very limited amount of time. You cannot repeat or stall. Okay? Here we go. Ready? Honey Mark, get set.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Donner, Blitzen, the Grinch, Santa Claus, Rudolph. I didn't say Rudolph. I have to do 13, right?
13, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, she had 11?
Yeah.
That happened so fast.
Cindy Lou. Yeah. And Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus counts.
I do think it counts. I think that is a barely in there, but I will take Mrs. Claus to complete 13. Easy. Of course, the reindeer. Of course. Easy 8 right there. Easy 8.
Hey, big boys.
Try not to slam
Yes.
it.
Here we go. Okay. Way to go. I don't know why. Oh, she's protecting her hair. That's, yeah. The hair is important. It is very important. Oh my! Please stay there. Please stay there. Yeah.
For the vlog, we do it.
Thank you. For the vlog. All right. McKay. My goodness.
McKay, you got a tarp.
There's a tarp right in front of you. I apologize. All right.
Bro, please don't fall. I'm being careful. Go to your 20s, dude. That's what I needed to get over right there. What's up, guys? You may be thinking, what am I doing right now? I'm climbing a tree. You need a mirror? Get video of this.
I'm not putting that on the vlog, dude. I'm a bodybuilder, and I make a lot of muscles. Hey, you want to take over, bro? You want to take over, bro?
No, I don't want no part in this. Something's been living up here. I'm stepping in there. I'm actually really impressed.
They've made it that far.
But I don't want no part on what coming next.
Oh no,
He's
yeah.
trying to get over here, bro.
Oh, This is gonna be bad if you fall.
Like fall from there.
Like fall from there, that would have been hilarious. But if you fall now, like, you're gonna die.
He's a big
Here,
boy.
here you go.
I'm not doing that. I'm not going like this. I'll be present, but I will not.